Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can use while loop with if condition. So first of all, let me just declare a variable. Let's say here I equal to 0. Then we are going to mention the while loop. So in order to mention the while loop, we need to say over here while. Then we need to give a condition. Let's say the condition will be while I smaller than or equal to 10. And here we are going to increase the value of I by on. So for it, we're going to say over here I equal to I plus on, or you can write I plus equal to on. That's fine as well. So this is more easier for you to understand. That's why I write it this way. So here, okay, let me just make it on. So here what will happen is that first of all the value of I is on, and the value of I will increase over here, and it will increase up until the value of I exceed the value 10. So here we are going to give a if condition. So here for this if condition, we'll say if I equal to, then we need to give a clone over here. Sorry, I forgot to give a clone over here. So here I equal to, then we are going to say over here print, and here in this print we will say value of I is 2. And let me just also give a else condition. So in order to give the else condition, we need to say over here elif, and after it, let's say here for this, when the value of I equal, let's say this time it will be 6, we're going to print. We'll say over here print, and it will be value of I is 6. So let me just explain it, and here we also need to give a clone over here. So let me just explain. So first of all, here we are running a while loop, and the value started from on. The value of I is on, so it is smaller than 10. So it will come over here. It will check if the value of I is 2. And the first time the value of I is not 2. So the first time the value is on, right? So on equal to, which is false. So it will not print this. And after it, it will check is the value of I is equal to 6. If it is not 6, if the I value is not 6, it will not print 6. So here the value will increase for the I. So it will become 2. Then it will check, okay, I equal to 2. So the condition met. So it will print this. But it will also come over here, and it will check if the value of I equal to 6. So 2 equal 6, which is false. So it will not print anything. Then the value of I will become 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. Then it will come over here and then print 6. And when the value of I exceed the value of 10, it means when the value of I become 11, then it will just end the loop. Okay, so right now let me just run it. Okay, we made a mistake print. Actually, we need to give it over here like this and like this. I just forgot it. So let me just run it again. And there you can see we are able to see value of I is 2 and value of I is 6. So we are able to print those properly. And we can give something else. Let me just say over here a different condition for the else. We say over here if the value of I is greater than 6, then we'll say value of I is greater than 6. And how many times it will print this? It will print it 7, 8, 9, 10. It will print for 7, 8, 9, 10. So here when the value for the value of I becomes 7, it means 7 is greater than 6. So it will print this. Then the value will become 8. So for 8 is greater than 6. So it will again print this. So this will be print for 4 times. So let me just run it over here. And there you go. At first it will print value of I is 2. Because at the beginning the value of I will increase to 2 and it will print this. And after that it will print this one. Value of I is greater than 6. Because 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope you understand how we can use while loop with if condition. So I hope this Python tutorial was easy for you to understand how to use while loop with if condition. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.